Alright. So what we have is Hot Shot right there. Kimbo Slice. Rocky. And behind the mic is 007. Right now we're about to start 2v2. This is kind of an FPS shooter. I got the R71 right here. Fully auto. He's got fucking pistol, I guess. Spring pistol. And who cares about them? I'm ready!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Steven, your BB sucks! Watch out. Watch out. Make sure you get good view.
I'm trying.
He gets too close, I got it. Watch out for Sean. That's right, I see you.
Where'd it go? Kimbo Slice is right there.
Cover!
One's out. All that's left is Rocky. Yeah, I held it sideways. Oh, crap. Yeah. There he is, I got him.
Oh,
I'm using this as a cheat sheet. There they are, they're talking. scared me. Well, that round goes to us, Team Shovel.
And that's Team Shovelhead.
That's Team Shovelhead.
I tried to. I was like, oh crap.
So, this is our backup area. This is not the area that we usually plan.
This is Bravo. We're usually in Alpha.
Which is our other area.
Well played, boys.
Who isn't ballsy?